How do you maintain strong relationships with friends and family?
I maintain strong relationships by regularly staying in touch, being supportive, and communicating openly.
What are some effective ways to resolve conflicts in relationships?
Effective ways include listening actively, finding common ground, and compromising when necessary.
How do you express your appreciation to others?
I express appreciation by saying thank you, giving thoughtful gifts, and offering help or support.
What are the key elements of good communication?
Key elements include active listening, clarity and conciseness, and empathy.
How do you build trust in your relationships?
I build trust by being honest, following through on promises, and showing respect.
What strategies do you use to improve your communication skills?
Strategies include practicing active listening, engaging in public speaking opportunities, and seeking feedback.
How do you handle misunderstandings with others?
I handle misunderstandings by clarifying the issue, discussing it calmly, and seeking to understand the other person's perspective.
What are some ways to strengthen family bonds?
Ways to strengthen family bonds include spending quality time together, celebrating milestones, and engaging in shared activities.
How do you maintain long-distance relationships?
I maintain long-distance relationships by regularly communicating, planning visits, and finding ways to stay connected.
What role does empathy play in effective communication?
Empathy plays a role by enhancing understanding, building stronger connections, and resolving conflicts more effectively.